Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is time and work. So friends, without time wasting, solve this question. Question number first question is A and B can separately do a piece of work in 6 days and 12 days respectively. How long will they together take to do the work? So friends, here first of all, segregate given or value. A can do a work in 6 days. Okay. Same work B can do a work in 12 days. First of all, we need how much work, what is full work. So take a number in which both are cut off. This is full work. Friends, take a number in which both are cut off. So I think 12 each. Let me take 12. 12 each cut by both. 6 to the 12 and 12 on the 12. Now we have A efficiency is 2. A doing 2 work per day and he completed 12 work in 6 days. A does only 1 work and he completed 12 work in 12 days. So we can say he working only 1 work and he worked 2 work in a single day. Now they will together doing this work, 12 work. So A plus B, 2 plus 1, both are doing 3 work in a single day. So we can say he does 3 work in a single day and total work is 12 work. So 12 by 3, 3 4 ja 12. He will complete it in 4 days. So our option is D. D is correct. See here again, friends. A complete 6 days and B complete 12 days your work. So we don't know how much work. So we can take a number in which both are cut off. So 12 is correct number. 6 to the 12 and 12 on the 12. Total work is 12 and he does 2 work in a single day. He can complete in 6 days. B doing 1 work in single days and he can complete 12 work in 12 days. So A plus B, because they are doing together. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Total work is 12 and he does 3 work. So 12 by 3 equal to 4. He complete 4 in 4 days. So our option is D. This question is look like previous question. Question number 2. If X can finish a job in 4 hours and Y can finish same job in 8 hours, will finish the job in. So see here, friends. X can finish a job in 4 hours. Our option is given in minutes. A option is 140 minutes. B option is 120 minutes. C is 160 minutes. And D is 150 minutes. So see here. Y can same job in 8 hours. Here given in minutes, but here given in hours. So first of all, we need to do convert 1 hour high to 60 minutes. So 4 into 60 will be 240 minutes. Okay. And 8 hours similarly 8 6 are 48. Now we have in minutes. So X can do in 240 minutes and same work Y can do in 480 minutes. So what is full work? Take a LCM and you can take a number in which both are cut off. So I think let me take 480 240. So a efficiency is 242 ja 480 and this is a efficiency, this is y x and this is y. So 481 ja 480. Now he doing 2 plus 3 x plus, because both are doing same work in same time. So x plus y equal to 2 plus 1. He does 3 minutes in same time. Total work is 480 and he doing 3 minutes. So once I think 160, because 3 1 ja 3 remaining 1 and 3 6 ja 18 and remaining 0, so 16. So our answer will be C. See here again, X can finish a job in 4 hours and Y can finish the same job in 8 hours, but here given in minutes, so we need convert into minutes. So 1 hour has 60 minutes. 60 into 4 will be 240. Similarly 8 into 60 will be 480. So we now what is full work? Okay, we need what is full work. So take a LCM and you can take a number in which both are cut off. So we found finally 480 is full work. They are doing together 2 plus, because 240 ja 480 and 480 1 ja 480. So X efficiency is 2 and Y efficiency is 1. Now they are doing together, so x plus y means 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So 3 by 480. Total work is 480 and he does only 3. So after solving we found 160 minutes. Question number 3. Question number 3 is A, B and C can complete a piece of work in 24, 5 and 12 days respectively, working together. They will complete the same work in, option number A is 13, 1 by 3 days, B option 4 days, C option is 1 by 24 days and D option is 7 by 24 days. So see here friends, A, B and C. A, B and C can complete a piece of work in 24 days. Same work B is working 5 days. Same work C is does in 12 days. So I have already told you, take a number in which all are cut off. This is full work. This is full work. You can take LCM of this number. Okay, so let me take 120. 120 each cut by all. So 24 into 5 will be 120. If A does 5 work per day, he can complete 120 work in 24 days. Similar, B will do 120 work in 5 days. So he will do per day 5 into 20. C same work does 12 days. So 12 into 10 completed 120 work. So see here friends, they are working together. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. 5 plus 24 plus 10. 5 in a single day. 5 plus 24 plus 10 will be 24 plus 5, 29 and plus 10, 29. He work 29 work in a single day. See here, A work 5 work in a single day, B 24 and C 10 work. They does 29 work in a single day. Total work is 120. So they will finish in 120 because this is total work, and by 39. 39. So I think 1 minute. 120 by 39. Total work is 120 and they will finish in a single day in 39 days. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Similar 3 4 ja 12, remaining 0. So 40 by 13. They will finish in 40 by 13 days. Okay, but here given 13 1 by 3 and B. So we can write as 13 3 ja 39 and 1. So option number A is correct. They will finish in 3 by 1 by 13 days. Thank you friends. If you really like it, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friend and press the bell icon. Thank you.